Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my honest review about this peel of mask. Actually you can see I have some facial hair, so I want to remove it. I was heard about this peel of mask and I am going to try it for the first time. Let's see what are the ingredients. Milk and gelatin. Here I add 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of gelatin. Again I add another 2 teaspoon of milk. Now mix well, then double boil and mix like this. Before apply, tie your hair, then apply all over your face without eye area and eyebrows. Friends, I heard this peel of mask will remove all blackheads and whiteheads. Let's see it true or false. Now you have to wait for 20 to 30 minutes for dry. Now you can see it's dry. I was waited 30 minutes. I can't talk and laugh because it's totally dry. Friends, let's peel off. Oh my god, it's painful. I think I can't do it anymore. Facial hair area is too much painful. You can see facial hair is removing. You have to peel off this mask opposite side. Wait for the end. I will show you the result. This is the very painful time, upper lips hair remove time. After peel off, I wash my face with cool water and apply aloe gel moisturizer. Friends, I feel soft and cool. Let's see this peel off mask, good or bad. Friends, you can see it's remove all the whiteheads and facial hair. I think you can see these small white dots. This is the first time I use this mask. It's very good feel of mask. Hope you like this video. Stay with me for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.